Welcome y'all, welcome to the stream. Yeat type beat? Alright, let's use this. Dun, 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 dun. Probably like this. I'll turn on red tree here. Something like that. I'm gonna add a flank just. We'll automate this knob as well. And this high will also automate. Let's use something. Let's use harmless. I've never. What I'll do is I'll turn off the release. Let's use blur pink or blur white. It'll stop exactly right here. I'll also automate the high pass here with this knob. I will automate a reverb, basically a wet knob kind of thing. That'll go something like this. Wash out. I will also add a bass. Just turn off this mod X. Make sure it is on fast LP. Or you can go LP as well. Basically low pass. Go here in the AMD section. Increase that up a bit. Turn down the attack, hold. Turn down sustain and release. Turn down the tension. Basically mod X is the cutoff and mod Y is the resonance. Increase the mod Y. And now you can mess with the ADSR with these settings. This one is perfect. In the middle. I'll take a delay, create an automation, and only in the last tier it will just have that. Maybe I will add something like wow wow wow. I think this snare would go harder than the clap. That works. Reverse that. Yeat! Okay. Shit like Playboy Cardi. Said I like Yeat and Bacardi. Shit like Playboy Cardi. Said I like Yeat and Bacardi. I got Drax and bitches and they all on my part. So I will continue in the next stream.